Welcome to our recipe training session on MarketMan. As we begin today, we'll explore recipes, a crucial aspect of your inventory and menu management. Throughout this session, we'll cover building recipes, allergens, recipe book features, and menu profitability report. First, let's start with key terms. Navigate to items and setup. Inventory items are your raw ingredients. Sub-recipes or preparations are items made in bulk like sauces, and menu items are the dishes on your POS system. Alright, now let's dive into creating recipes. To begin, click on Sub-recipes or preparations. I'll walk you through an example of building a sub-recipe. Let's start by adding each ingredient with its relevant unit of measure and quantity. Just make sure you select either purchased items, sub-recipe, or preparations. As you do this, the system collects the relative prices to give the cost per yield. Moving on to the Inventory tab, if you want to count what's left, you can place the item in a storage area and choose the counting options. Additionally, we can also set the minimum on hand and the par level. Now, here's something important.